On July 1st, 2025, astronomers detected something extraordinary. The third interstellar visitor ever observed passing through our solar system. Traveling at an astonishing 137,000 miles per hour, this mysterious object, named 3I-ATLAS, is now slicing through the asteroid belt, the vast region of space between Mars and Jupiter. Scientists confirm it poses no threat, and like most comets, it's accelerating as it draws closer to the Sun, expected to reach nearly 152,000 miles per hour by late October 2025. But speed isn't what's surprising researchers, it's the object's bizarre and unpredictable behavior. Soon after discovery, 3I-ATLAS began defying expectations. It suddenly brightened far beyond predictions, glowing more intensely than any model had forecasted. No one can yet explain this unexpected surge in brightness. Even more puzzling, when first detected, 3I-ATLAS didn't resemble a typical comet at all. Normally, a comet's light comes from a coma, a glowing cloud of gas and dust surrounding it. But the light from 3I-ATLAS seemed to come directly from its surface, raising an astonishing question. Is it producing its own light? Some researchers proposed that the object might even be artificial, possibly a spacecraft disguised as a comet, while others argued that its reddish hue and thin dust layer could simply be reflecting sunlight in an unusual way. Still, none of the theories fit perfectly. As it approached Mars, 3I-ATLAS grew even stranger. Its color shifted dramatically from red to green, something almost unheard of in natural comets, and its brightness didn't follow a normal pattern. When first observed, it was incredibly faint, around 18th magnitude, but soon brightened to 12th magnitude, a massive leap. To put that in perspective, in astronomy, a lower magnitude means higher brightness. Comets generally brighten smoothly as they near the Sun, but 3I-ATLAS has been flickering unpredictably, flashing brighter in sudden, unexplained bursts. The green glow is especially mysterious. In most comets, the color comes from dicarbon molecules that emit green light when exposed to sunlight. Yet, surprisingly, no dicarbon has been found in 3I-ATLAS. Instead, data from the James Webb Space Telescope revealed something unexpected. A chemical mix rich in carbon dioxide, with traces of nickel and cyanogen. But none of these can account for the intense emerald glow. The molecule that typically produces green fluorescence simply isn't there. So what's powering this light? Could it be some unknown chemical reaction? Or, as a few bold scientists suggest, an artificial energy source, maybe even a nuclear reactor hidden inside? Most astronomers lean toward a more natural explanation. As comets heat up near the Sun, their volatile materials rapidly evaporate, creating massive gas outbursts that make them appear much brighter. This phenomenon, known as an outburst, can even cause a comet's surface to crack or fragment under internal pressure. It's happened before. For instance, comet Shoemaker-Levy 9, which famously broke apart before colliding with Jupiter in 1994. But some researchers find it hard to believe that 3I-ATLAS's strange, almost intentional-seeming behavior is just coincidence. That's when Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb entered the conversation with a daring idea. In a recent article, he suggested that 3I-ATLAS might not be a natural object at all, but a spacecraft from another civilization. According to Loeb, it could be capable of releasing smaller probes as it travels through our solar system, much like a mothership deploying drones. He even speculated that the object's sudden increase in brightness might be caused by fragments breaking off, potentially on purpose, as it nears Mars. There are two possibilities, Loeb said.
Well, there are two possibilities. If it's a technological object, then it might maneuver itself. We haven't seen such a maneuver so far. But the other possibility is that it may release some other objects that reach the planets, and it will continue along its course to the next star.
Loeb pointed out a curious coincidence: the appearance of another comet, C 2025. F2 SWAN, not long after 3I-ATLAS was discovered. Could it be a fragment or probe released by the interstellar visitor? Subsequent observations, however, showed that SWAN was traveling from the opposite direction, ruling out that theory. Still, Loeb urged the scientific community not to dismiss the mystery so quickly. He recommended keeping close watch as 3I-ATLAS makes its near-Mars flyby on October 3, 2025, hinting that it might still perform something unnatural. And he has a point. This object is unlike anything astronomers have seen before. Even its point of origin deepens the mystery. 3. I/ATLAS entered our solar system from the direction of the Sagittarius constellation, the same region where unexplained radio signals, including the legendary WOW signal, were once detected. Is that just a coincidence? Or could there be a connection? Adding to the intrigue, the object's trajectory through our solar system seems almost too precise. It moves nearly parallel to the plane of the planets, a path that feels more deliberate than random. And while it passes relatively close to several planets, it seems to avoid Earth entirely. Even more curious, when 3I/ATLAS reaches Perihelion, its closest point to the Sun, it will be positioned directly behind the Sun from Earth's perspective, effectively hiding from view. That timing appears suspiciously perfect. From Earth, the Sun's glare would block all our instruments from seeing what happens in that region. The object could change course, accelerate, or even deploy probes, all completely undetected. And being near the Sun could conveniently provide solar energy, perfect for recharging if the object were indeed artificial. Before 2017, humanity had never detected a single interstellar object. Now, in less than a decade, we've seen 3, Oumuamua, 2I/Borisov, and now 3I/ATLAS. Has something changed? Are we just getting better at spotting them, or are more of them coming? Each discovery brings new questions, but 3I/ATLAS stands apart. Its glowing surface, its color-shifting nature, its precise trajectory, and its mysterious brightening patterns make it one of the most puzzling cosmic visitors ever recorded. In the coming weeks, NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, equipped with the powerful high-rise camera, will attempt to photograph the object as it passes near Mars. Though the resolution will only capture details around 30 kilometers per pixel, the data could reveal whether it's reflecting sunlight or emitting its own light. A crucial clue. If successful, this would mark the first time an interstellar object is imaged from another planet. Other spacecraft, like NASA's Psyche mission and ESA's JUICE probe, may also get a chance to observe it later in 2025. Whatever the outcome, one thing is certain. 3I/ATLAS is rewriting what we thought we knew about interstellar visitors. If you found this story fascinating, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us bring you more incredible discoveries from the cosmos. Thank you for watching.